Hi, thank you for choosing the Visual Products Configurator plugin. Here in this tutorial, I will show you how to set up the Multiviews add-on. Presumably you have purchased the product already, so you could sign into your account with us by clicking on this icon here directly from our website and then clicking on the Downloads tab here. So you could download the plugin or the add-on by clicking on this button here and then going over to your WordPress dashboard and installing the add-on the regular way that plugins have been installed. Then you get a prompt to activate the license right after you're done with that process. You could navigate to Product Builder here, a plugin, and click on Settings. And this page opens up. Then you want to click on the Multiple Views add-on tab and then enter the license key that must have been sent to your email right after you purchased. After that, the next line of action would be to create a new configuration. There it is. So here on my end, I already have one. In order to save time, I'm just going to walk you through the process. So if this were a blank slate, it's very crucial that you have the activate multi-views option set to yes. By default, it will be set to no. So you have to set this to yes and then define what the various views on the product will be called. Here on my end, because this is a helmet, the product is a helmet, so I have three views specifically: the front view, the side view, and the back view. Each view should stay on one line. Right after you click all three options, or reselect all the options or the different views you want available, it's very important that you first of all publish the product so that the rest of the configurator can acknowledge the different views that you have. And then you can go into setting up the components. Here on my end, as you can see, I already have different component options laid out. It's very important that you have images cut to fit. So what this product looks like from the front, from the side, and from the back. If this option is selected, everything has been acknowledged here. Likewise for this option here, the same thing has been done. So you want to click on update or publish on your end. Don't forget to link the configuration to a particular product. Here on my end, I already did that, so you could totally click on build your own and we can see the configurator page. So here, because no option was selected by default, you could see that while different customization options are available, you can totally see what the product looks like from the front, from the side, from the back. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.